Nice and lovely. Welcome back guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Today we want to show you where you can do something with peach at home. Basically I got some peach left over from, a whole heap of food and thing from Christmas. So I got a lot of extra peaches laid back and some slices too, really nice, beautiful, excited. But what I want to do, I'm going to simply make a simple little dessert, peach slices dessert with some ice cream with some vanilla flavor straight all over top of it. Simple. This is it right here. So basically guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply pop it straight inside of my little container right here. Lovely. So as you can see right here is some of the peach straight inside of it. So basically what I'm gonna do is simple. I'm gonna simply show you gonna do guys, just like this. So basically I'm gonna simply pop a little bit of ice cream on top of it like this guys. Just a few scoops of ice cream. So basically as you can see, exactly where we are standing right here with this lovely peach ice cream dessert right here. And basically the simple serve another piece on top of it just like that. So lovely and nice. The only thing, because of the ice cream, I don't think it will be set, but we will try and simply say if it will just rest on top of it, just for it to look a little bit really nice. We're gonna put some strawberry syrup on top of it like this. Guys, I'm telling you, anyone can do that at home. Really nice and beautiful. Look at that. Just really fantastic, simple and beautiful and really effective. So you can do this at home if you're a family, if you have things left over, you don't need to chuck it in the bin. You can do something really gorgeous with it. And not nice, simple. Sometimes you can even pop a little piece of a cinnamon stick, because what happened now, the cinnamon stick would do nice, give it a lovely flavor and a nice lovely taste. Just pop a little piece of cinnamon stick also inside of it, or if you want to pop a pinch of cinnamon on top of it, that's will be really nice and beautiful. So guys, enjoy the recipes. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show. Hopefully in the future we will come with better and best recipe. But if you got some peach left over, you don't need to chuck it. You can do something like this with some ice cream. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.